Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah. Dada. I'm a product designer by day. I'm sorry, I spend a very unreasonable amount of time on TikTok. I am intentionally curbing it. And hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Dada. Today I'm a product designer. On the side, I run a social impact initiative called Trustings, and I also enjoy corporate events strategy. I love it so much. Guess what we are talking about today? Oh sorry, it's already in the thumbnail and in the title. All right, well, I'm here to shake another design table again today. But if you don't know why I'm here, I'm doing a series for the whole of November where I'm asking myself, am I lazy or I'm just unlucky? And if you want to know why I'm doing this, you can look for the first video on this series. So on that first video, I explained why I'm doing this and what I will be doing and how I will be doing it. So we'll not be doing that here. You can pause this one, quickly go and watch that one. I'll wait for you. Okay, you're not going. Might as well stay. All right, so today I'm talking about why design mentorship is overrated. And this is, again, not a niche topic. I think it flows around to any career at all. I think mentorship is overrated. Before you bite me, wait. I'll explain. I think mentorship is overrated. And I have points to prove it. If I was on TikTok, I'll say, well, let me hold your hands while I say this. I think mentorship is overrated. And people drag me. So because all of us now, we are holding our hands on TikTok, but this is YouTube. I won't hold your hands. But I think that design mentorship is overrated. Why do I think so? I will explain. Now, coming from someone that benefited so much from mentorship, the first ever person that mentored me actually recommended me for a job that paid me 120k at once. I think that was back in 2019 or thereabouts. I do not take that for granted. I think those are one of the benefits of mentorship. But when will mentorship become overrated? I have a few points of when I think if mentorship is not done right, it might become overrated, and it might be that you have expectations that you are not supposed to have from mentorship. So many mentees want shortcuts, not feedback. Now, I know there are a lot of mentors that want to connect with people, maybe on ADP list, or say, okay, can I get some time with you? I want to share a project. I've also done that before. And you know deep down that what you're looking for in that call is not really feedback. You just want to connect. You want to plug your cable to that person. You want to connect with that person. You want to plug in. You want to tap from that person's light, which is absolutely fine. It's a good way to do things too. You also get feedback and you get yourself in that person's circle, which means they can recommend you for stuff. It's a good way, but that should not be the sole reason why you're doing things. Sometimes genuinely just want feedback. I think in any career line, some days just want to get feedback from people. Want to know, okay, what am I doing right? What am I not doing right? Not just, oh, I want feedback, and then you get on there, you are not, because that's not initially what you wanted. The approach is completely off, and you're just waiting for a person to say, oh, I have this gig that I want you to work on with me. They might never have it. And the way you know someone that does not want feedback and just wants to plug in is when you give them feedback, they don't follow up again to say, oh, I have implemented this. Do you want to have a new check at it? No, you don't. Even if you're the one, you don't action those feedback that you get because the feedback initially was not what you're looking out for. So yeah, let's approach mentorship differently, where we are not just looking to take advantage of whosoever you want to get information from, but you genuinely need the feedback to action them. See for thanks. All right, I'll go on to my second point. The second point, oh my God. Second point is that real growth comes from shipping work, not endless advice sessions. That's also another thing I should have held your hands to say. So real growth comes from real life work, doing the work, not from advice sessions. And sometimes you go for conferences to network, to meet people. Oh, those sessions are good. They inspire you, particularly if you have like a low spirit and you attend those events. You are gingered up again to do what you want to do. And this speaks to genuinely any career field at all. You are just gingered up, you're fired up, like, yeah, I can do this. I think that's why events are great, and a lover of events. You have networks, you meet people, and you keep those contacts relevant, big stuff. But what will grow your career is the work that you do, not all the advice that you get. There's a TikTok sound. I'm sorry, I spend a very unreasonable amount of time on TikTok. I'm intentionally curbing it. And they say 1,000 advice, 0 helper. Or 1 million advisor, 0 helper. And it's not, so people are only advisors because some people are going to ask them for advice. That's it. So what I know with respect to that is that you need to do the work. You need to actually put in the real work. No amount of advice will move you forward. All that you need is to do the work, solve the problem. To make you grow as a designer or in any career, you need to do the work. Advice, it will not help you. You just keep hearing it, and if you don't action on it, you just sit down there and remain the same person. So get yourself up and get some work done. You get me? All right. Mentorship culture sometimes creates dependence instead of initiative. Yeah, I think this is also true, where you always feel like, oh, I have someone to run to easily, and then you bounce on them, you bounce all your ideas on them. Whereas sometimes you staying on a problem, trying to figure it out. Of course, you can't do this for every scenario, or else you will be, for lack of a better word, a stupid person. But there are times when you know that you should ask for help. There should be a good balance, that you ask for help, and there's also a balance of a point where you know that, oh, I need to bury myself into this thing to dig out some things. There is a type of value, or there's a type of person you become when you actually do the hard work, where you know that I struggled. I'm not saying you must struggle for success, but there's sometimes that you do hard work and then it puts in some level of pride in you to know that, okay, I actually did that stuff, I made that progress by myself. So, all right, now let's go on to my last point. Oh no, not my last point, I have 2 more points to go. So what designers need is guidance through doing, not a mentor to handhold. Yeah, so I think this gives all like the good balance to what I've been saying. You need someone to walk you through it, not someone to sort of handhold you and say, oh yeah, do that, push that pixel there, collect that. And I think it's in every area. We need to start knowing, yeah, there's smart work. I am a fan of smart work all the time, but I also think that there's value in hard work also, which at the end of the day means you just need to find a good balance. Sincerely, just need to find a good balance. And finally, the best mentors are invisible. They leave you with framework, not answers. A huge shout out to everyone that has mentored me out there, from Efe to Dami. I've learned from a lot of people. I've gotten experiences from a lot of people. Peer groups as well has also helped me. So good mentorship, but the best mentors are the invisible people, which are people that I've learned from online, watch their videos, femcare. There is also, oh my god, I forgot her name, but she has like loads of videos on design on YouTube. She's a Nigerian, Sharon. Yeah, I think that's her name. So those are invisible people that I've never met. Most likely would never meet them, to be honest. But these are people that I've looked at their content in my career path, and I've seen that, okay, they have given frameworks, not like exactly, oh, do this. They've just told me, this is how I've done mine. I think you should do it that way also. And then it has worked. So I think we should approach mentorship from the light of frameworks, not like direct answers, or not like direct, oh, I want to plug into your connect kind of thing, but also because we want great feedback and we want to use it. So yeah, that's my insight for today. I hope that helped you. I hope that in some ways give clarity and direction to whatever it is that you're working on right now. I always want to live my life waking up every day knowing that, yeah, I did all that I am supposed to do, and I am adding value to myself and becoming a better person. And that's why I'm on this series, genuinely, just to help myself get better as a person and see what I'm able to become from it. I think when I go through any situation, I always know that, okay, this is, it's not about what this thing can do for me. It's about how I can be changed through this situation. So yeah, I'm excited for this month as I am creating content every day. I'm putting it out there every day. So my favorite part of this entire series. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I forget again. I forget every time. Please like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. 5 things. Like, share, and subscribe. Drop in the comment anything that you think, oh, this resonated with you, or if you think I talked shit, call me out in the comments. Call me out in the comments. And please subscribe. You can share this with your friends as well. I'm sure it'll be useful to them. Bye. See you tomorrow.